Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Shardemarie. Welcome. And in today's video, we are doing our first Boxycharm of the year. Yeah. So I got my box recently. So yes, we want to dive on into January's Boxycharm unboxing. So if you enjoyed these type of videos, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Now let's get into it. Alright guys, so as you can see, my makeup is basically halfway done because of course as always, I peep into the box to see exactly what is in here so I know what I need to put on and what I need to keep off. So let's dive on in. So the theme of this box is called So Fresh, So Clean. So the first thing that I pull out is this Soleil mini heat brush in the color apricot, which is so funny because I've been online trying to figure out if I want to pay $40 for that Revlon blow dryer brush thing, and this basically came in a nick of time, but it's technically like a blow dryer. It's just a heat brush. So this retails for I'm sorry, this price for this retails for $150 for this mini heat brush. Is there like a big size version of this? Oh, thank God I got it in the Boxycharm because I'll be damn. I'll be damn. So they're saying this is a perfect tool for on-the-go styling and touch-ups. It's a powerful and easy use as a full-size tool, but compact enough to carry with you everywhere you go. And it's good for all hair types. And yeah, it's just a heat brush. So I guess if you have wet hair and after you blow dried it and you want to get that sleek look, if you have that. I'm not going to try it on this hair. Okay, no, I'm not doing that. But I don't know, maybe on one of my other wigs I would try it on. But $150 for this? Oh Lord Jesus. Bless the child. Bless the child. Alright, so next in the box is this Touch in Soul Waterful Glow Cream. It's from the Pretty Filter line, and this retails for $38. And you guys know I had the Pretty Filter Ice Sherbet Primer from Touch in Soul, which I've had it in my everyday vanity drawer, but I just switched it out for other stuff. But I mean, I use it still from time to time. It doesn't really do anything for me except for cool my face down when I feel like a little bit hot. So that's all it really does. But this is the packaging of it. And you're supposed to use this after, I think after you clean your skin or after you moisturize, if I'm not mistaken. Oh no, okay, so you apply it on your whole face as the last step of skincare and tap it in for absorption. So basically, you're using it as a moisturizer. So let me see if it has a smell. I love the packaging though, super cute. Has a slight smell, but nothing overpowering where if you have sex with the skin, it'll break you out. So yeah, this is real cute. Like I said, this is $38. I already have a lot of skincare from Boxycharm that I need to go through, so I don't know when I will use this, but I think I'm really gonna like it because I do have dry skin, so especially during the winter time, so I like to keep my face as moisturized as possible. Stay focused. Okay, stay focused. Alright, so now we can move on to the makeup. I just got 3 makeup items. And the first thing I'm going to do is my brows. So this was one of the products that I chose to be in my box for this month, which is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Step Brow. And I got it in the shade dark brown. We all know what it looks like, so I don't really need to show it to you guys. But yeah, and this retails for $20. So I just did my brows, but I didn't set them. And I never used a colored brow gel before, so this is new for me. So let's see how it works for me. Okay, I will say it definitely did make my eyebrows darker than what I'm used to. but I like that it doesn't distribute so much product in your brows, and that the stopper on it gives it just enough product to put on your brows. So now I'm just going to take this eyebrow brush and just brush through here, because I'm definitely having a good eyebrow day. Yeah, so this is definitely a product that I think I will wear more at night than during the daytime, just because it does make my brows a little bit more bolder than I would like during the daytime. But overall, very good product. Definitely keeping it in my collection. Probably, I don't know if it's good enough to go to the everyday drawer. Maybe, possibly, but we shall see. So next is something from JaNai-EYUDCXHF Miami. This is Brickle, which is a cream blush, and this retails for $18. And this is new to the Boxy brand. This is also a brand I've never heard of before, so this is also new to me. So like I said, I already did my face. I didn't set my face yet because I knew I had a cream product in here, so I wanted to do the cream product first before I went ahead and set the whole face. So this is the packaging of it. Super cute. And like I said, this is in the color Brickle. So this is really cute. It's like a nude pink color, which is most likely always the kind of blush that I go towards. I'm trying to step out more this year, but this is normally the type of blush color that I go for. So yeah, so I'm just going to take this Putty Blush brush from e.l.f. and use that. Okay, this is super cute. Super cute. And as you see, I just kept it like on my temple, not my temples, my apples on my cheek, and just brought it up towards my temple. Of course, it messed up my edges, which I'm not surprised because my edges don't want to act right today. But yeah, and the powder under my eyes didn't interrupt the cream, so that's very good. So now what I'm going to do off camera is finish my base, and then we'll come back for the eyes. Alright, so the face is basically done. Super simple, okay? So now the last thing that we need to do are the eyes, and we got another eye primer. This is from True Plus Luscious Angel Eyes Eyeshadow Primer. Is infused with rose extract, and this retails for $22. And I'm thinking they come in different shades because this one is in the shade Deep Nude. So this is what the packaging looks like. I feel like I had something similar to this that was also an eyeshadow primer. Yeah, I really don't know, but I feel like I had something similar to this already. But we're going to test it out anyway. Like I said, this is in the color Deep Nude. So this is what it looks like. Feel a little gritty, but we shall see. Okay, not bad, not bad. What was in my hair? Yeah, not bad. I definitely love the color. Definitely blends nicely. The only thing is, like I said, when you put it on your finger, it feels a little gritty. But other than that, really like it. So now we're going to set it. So the eye palette I'm using today is from Mented. This is their everyday eyeshadow palette. So I'm just going to dip into one of these shades and just set it. Okay. No skipping. There's no What else? Like I said, there's no skipping. It went over top of it very nicely. There's no patchiness. That's the word I was looking for. There's no patchiness. So yeah. Okay. True plus luscious. Okay. So I'm gonna do my lips and my eyes off camera, and then we'll be back to tally all this up and have a quick review on everything. Alright, so this is the finished face using the products from Boxycharm. Now let's do a quick rundown of these items, and then let me tell you how much this box in total costs. So the first thing, the dip brow, I liked it. It definitely is for me a nighttime dip brow compared to a morning time, just because it definitely made my eyebrows darker than I normally like, but I like it enough to keep it in my collection. Don't know if I like it enough to keep it in my everyday vanity drawer. I'm gonna have to keep testing it out, but we shall see. I'm excited to try this when I can, which is the Touch and Glow waterful glow cream. I'm excited to test it when I'm able to. I gotta run through the rest of my skincare first before I can even touch this. But I'm excited to try it out when I can. I'm even excited to try out the heat brush, even though that crap is $150. I'm excited to see exactly what it's supposed to do. And I think it will work better on my straight hair than like my body wave or my really curly hair. I think on my straight wigs, I think will probably work fantastic. So I'm excited to see exactly what it does. But obviously, I'm definitely keeping it because I'm never going to pay that much for a heat tool, but I appreciate it. Now the primer, where's the primer at? The primer is probably like my favorite thing out of my box. This works wonderfully, okay, with my eye makeup, which is very simple eye makeup because it is daytime and I don't need to be going out there with full face of glam. So this is top notch. This might be going in my everyday vanity upstairs in my room because I think this is freaking fantastic. The blush that I use from JaNai B, it's just like any other cream blush in my opinion. Yeah, it's just like any other cream blush in my opinion. I have plenty of blushes in my collection that looks exactly like this, but obviously I'm gonna keep it because I've used it, or I might give it to my sister, who knows, but or probably switch it out for something else. I don't know, but I mean it was cool. It was cool. And I think that's everything that I got in my box for this month. So this month's box retailed for $248. Of course, the heat brush is what made it over the top. The reason why it costs so much. So you do get 5 full-size items for $30 a month. Just so if you don't know what Boxycharm is, it's basically a makeup subscription box, and you get 5 full-size products for $30 a month. And as you can see, the heat brush obviously outweighs how much it costs a month. Let me see. Even if you just got the Touch and Soul cream, this is $38. That's $8 more than what you're paying for the Boxycharm. So yeah, I think it's a good deal. I know every year their prices go up, but if you have the funds and you want to grow your collection, I definitely think Boxycharm is definitely a good way to build on your collection, because that's definitely how I got half of my makeup, from Boxycharm. So yeah, you guys, that's going to end off this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, as well as subscribe and turn on your bell notification to get notified when I upload my next video, which will be me doing a review and wear test of the NYX Blur foundation. I'm excited to try it out. I love foundations, especially if it gives me the type of look that I like, which is like a sheer to medium coverage, but it gives me a big face at the same time. Those are the type of foundations I like, so I'm really excited to try that out. Yeah, so keep a lookout for that video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!